I love the area, you know, born and raised Port girl. Our beaches are stunning, our rivers, the hills, the hinterland area where I live now, west of Wauchope.
Love the beach, and of course more secluded beaches like along the other end of Lighthouse Beach, and the beaches sort of slightly north and slightly south that don't have many tourists, but you can walk for miles and find little things on the beach. I'm a bit of a collector. The other areas I really love are the hinterland areas, like up near Comboyne, and only recently we went for a walk to Ellenborough Falls. Really beautiful, and seeing nature and, you know, koalas and kangaroos and wallabies and birds, they're so abundant. It's the most beautiful place, and the weather, I mean, like no other.
Couldn't even dream of living anywhere nicer than Port Macquarie. We're surrounded by beaches, we've got our own rainforest here, we're just so spoiled. It is the most beautiful natural environment that we could live in, and then we're so close. We're really quite close to Sydney, we're close to Brisbane, and so many beautiful little towns in between, so it's just actually really quite an idyllic place to live.
The beaches are just gorgeous up here, and the fact that you can be there, especially at, say, sunset, when there's just beautiful purple skies reflected on the water, on the sand, that kind of thing. And you're not sharing it with so many people. It's just beautiful up here, and that's pretty much any time of day. Whenever I've been, it's been lovely and relaxed and not too busy.
Along the mid-north coast, it's absolutely beautiful. There's lots of hidden gems and places to visit and explore.
Got beautiful weather, friendly people.
Well, I mean, there's nothing you kind of can't love about Port, so it's a really kind of, yeah, big, wide community.
There's a great community spirit in Port Macquarie, a great artist community.
My favourite would have to be our beautiful coastal walk here. If you haven't done the coastal walk, go out, do it, pack a day pack and take the kids. It's beautiful.
There's so much nature here. It's so relaxed, and we have everything here.
It's nice and relaxed, it's less stressful. Everyone just seems to enjoy art and enjoy contributing to art and making it part of the community, and I really like that.